Describe the characteristics of biological desert. The biological desert is a desert that hardly supports any life, and although not exclusively, but primarily is used for water body. There are mainly two types of biological deserts: the continental biological deserts such as Antarctica and Greenland, which won't be able to have any productive because of excessive cold. Additionally, low level of moisture and high winds and high altitude deserts of Ladakh, in particular, Ramayana, only the second place of the world to have moonscape, the cold desert of Gobi and the hot deserts of Atacama without rains. Oceanic biological desert, second. So where the color of the water is blue, there are the areas far removed away from the coast. Any of the water bodies where we don't find life, that is hardly any fish life, then it is considered as biological desert. Examples include Dead Sea. Characteristics of biological desert: mainly restrictive environmental condition for primary level growth, like that of phytoplankton, zooplankton, and excessive exploitation of the resource in that area may be due to the discovery of natural resource or tourism of new fishing methods, or otherwise effluents flowing into rivers and oceans due to reduces BOD, biological oxygen demand, COD, chemical oxygen demand, OD, oxygen demand. Chemical change, global warming, it has disturbed the ecological niche of many species. Many species due to this are either under threat or are got extinct. For example, recent extinction of Galapagos Island giant tortoise. Sustained and prolonged deposition of salts that may make it impossible for life to sustain. Exotic and alien species. Exotic species do not necessarily have to harm the environment and can even benefit it. Exotic species are most harmful when they compete for resources directly with another species in that geographic location, and are much better at competing that the native species cannot survive. A natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural process of the earth. Examples include floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, volcanic eruption, earthquakes, tsunami, and other geological forces. Explain the concept of microcarbon sink and its relevance. A carbon sink is anything that absorbs more carbon than it releases as carbon dioxide. In micro or carbon sink, it is done. Next question we discuss it again. So thank you.